Features of Instagram have been popping out every now and then, and now Instagram's been working on an exciting new feature for its users. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The popular social media app, Instagram, has changed drastically over the years, with many new features included in it. Some updates were well received and loved by its users and almost became addicting, like Reels and Stories, while some annoyed the fans and they wanted to be gone as fast as they could, like the feature where people can see which posts you liked and where you commented. Nobody wants someone in their business that much, right? But now the Meta app is working on an exciting new feature which will allow its users to connect more and initiate friendships with their followers having similar interests. The feature is called Pics, and it's reportedly under works as an internal prototype. This feature has not been made available for the public yet. However, the feature was first spotted by reverse engineer Alessandro Paluzzi, who often finds unreleased features while they're still under development. Paluzzi took to X and told the public that people can select their favorite movies, books, TV shows, games, and music, or their pics. And then Instagram will find overlaps with friends who chose the same things. Instagram hasn't shared any details on its own about the Pics feature, but it was part of the plan. To help people connect with friends over the things they discover on Instagram, we're gonna double down on messaging, make consuming content more interactive and social, and explore new ways to connect with friends. This is what Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, had to say in his January 2025 post, where he highlighted the future prospects of the app. We're excited to see when Pics will be rolled out in the app and how it will be perceived by the users. Will they use it to spark new conversations? Or will it receive backlash for telling others their interest? This all will be known after the feature's launched. Till then, we'll wait. What do you think about this soon-to-be launched feature? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.